Behind those glasses lies the mind of an artist, a fervent disciple of the craft, inspired by elaborate colorways of the footwear industry. Welcome to the creative process of the illustrious Bert Wildstyle. Bert began his professional journey in February of 2020 while finishing up cosmetology school. Immediately, we could see that he was a natural, a barber that possesses an innate understanding of the craft. We also noticed his refreshingly colorful approach to fashion, and that soon, those two qualities would merge and translate onto his work. It immediately brought me back to the images portrayed in the 1982 release of the movie Wildstyle, a must-see film for the hip-hop enthusiast. Bert was just an apprentice back then, but we always viewed him as his future successful self, and we needed him to believe in that vision, so we gave that vision a name. Anyway, the spring was just around the corner, and along with that, an enormous anticipation for growth, because flowers aren't the only things that bloom in the spring. For new barbers especially, the spring represents a blossoming of one's career. The spring brings everyone out of their homes and onto the social scene. But you can't really do that without a proper haircut, can you? So you got a bunch of people all trying to get haircuts every day and all day. Enough to give Bert everything he needed. But as much as we planned to lay the groundwork for his success, no one could foresee what was about to happen. In comes March, and the pandemic that took away so much and shuttered barbershops and salons across New Jersey for 3 whole months. It caused us to lose a few barbers, and since Bert was so new to the game, we thought we'd lose him too. But go figure. During the lockdown, while Netflix and TikTok were having the time of their lives, Bert took online classes at home and practiced within his circle of friends and family. By the time we were allowed to open again, Bert Wildstyle emerged as an experienced professional. I mean, this lockdown was like a cocoon for this guy. He went in as a caterpillar and came out as a monarch. It's resiliency at its finest. So kids, here's the gem. Learn how to take advantage of times when everyone else is entertained. Use those times to prepare yourself for a better tomorrow. You can apply this every single night when you go home by simply studying your craft, examining your mistakes, and learning from them. It's a major life hack. Today, Bert Wildstyle is one of the most popular barbers in the city. He specializes in all the trends worn by young people today. I knew he'd be like that. But what's most important is that he knew. While everyone else was focused on the pandemic, Bert saw an opportunity. An opportunity to learn. An opportunity to grow. An opportunity to advance. That's the ticket. In a world so filled with talent, in a world so filled with competition, that's how you get ahead. And that's it, guys. If you learned something from this video, press like and then subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And also, don't forget to check out my book, How to Become a Six-Figure Barber. You'll find all the links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one.